Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of a delightful little fruit, the date. But don't be fooled by its size. These tiny nuggets are bursting with benefits for both men and women. So grab a snack, and let's get to it. 10 benefits of eating dates. 1. Feeling sluggish. Dates are a natural source of sugar, giving you a quick and healthy energy pick-me-up without the crash. Think of them as nature's candy. 2. Dates are packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer and helps with digestion, ultimately making your tummy happy. 3. Dates contain potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure and keep your heart happy. So ditch the stress ball and grab a date. 4. Dates are rich in antioxidants that may help improve memory and focus. Basically, fuel for your awesome brain. 5. Dates are a good source of magnesium, which is important for bone health. Strong bones, strong you. 6. Looking to add a touch of sweetness to your smoothies or baked foods? Dates are a perfect natural alternative to sugar. Bonus points for deliciousness. 7. Dates are a traditional food for pregnant women, as they may help with labor. But always check with your doctor before making any dietary changes during pregnancy. 8. There are legends about dates and let's just say manly strength. While the science isn't totally clear, dates remain a healthy and delicious snack for everyone. 9. Dates are a source of vitamin C, which can contribute to healthy, radiant skin. So eat your dates and embrace your inner glow. 10. Bonus point. Dates come in varieties of shapes, sizes, and textures from the hard to the mushy. Explore different varieties and find your favorite. So there you have it. Dates are tiny fruit with a big impact on your health and happiness. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below how you enjoy your dates. See you next time.